Our chapter in the book of Manufacturing 4.0 introduces additive manufacturing and its technical development in the context of Manufacturing 4.0. We are having a look how AM technologies have developed, especially metal laser powder bed fusion, and we are also discussing what other techniques are available in metal additive manufacturing. And this all will be then concluded by some future trends and future aspects of this technology. When we are talking about additive manufacturing, we are actually talking about hundreds of different technologies. And the materials which can be additively manufactured is around 12,000 different materials. The interesting thing here is that when we concentrate on speaking about metal additive manufacturing, the amount of material is also huge. You have to understand when you discuss about additive manufacturing and the metal additive manufacturing that we are talking about dozens of different kind of technologies. Very interesting and commonly unknown issue is that one of the most widely used metal AM additive manufacturing technology, namely one of laser powder bed fusion technologies, is invented in Finland. Additive manufacturing is estimated to be the real part of industrial manufacturing within 5 years. The trends which we see nowadays around additive manufacturing covers the formation of production lines, the development of new materials, and also the amount of new interesting applications. We can conclude additive manufacturing to be very interesting technology for Manufacturing 4.0. It has a lot of potential, it has some of its challenges, but also the limits and the amount of applications goes beyond the imagination of a human being.